question is. Now, I'm on 9.3 number 2. So I'm not really doing a denominator. Make sure you're on the right homework assignment. It's 9.3 number 2. All right, so everybody's on 9.3 number 2. All right, here we go. I've drawn a Venn diagram, put in a bunch of numbers. You're going to answer some questions. So we've got people who like logs and people who like trig. And there's 23 and 19 and 2. And there's 50 kids in the class. Can you tell from that diagram how many students like only logarithms?
27. Wait, no. 7? I don't know what I'm doing.
23.
Yeah, 23. These are the people that like only logarithms right here. They're only logarithms. This 23 right here. So the answer to A is 23. Now, how about only logarithms or only trigonometry?
25.
That's 25 because there's 23 here and 2 here. So that would be 25. Neither logarithms or trigonometry. So there are some kids that don't like anything. How many of those are there? Well, how will we figure that out? How did you get 6? You're exactly right. How did you get 6?
Because I added 23 plus 19 plus 2 and then subtracted that from 15.
So these 3 areas added up make 44. So there's 44 kids total in the balls, which means that there would be 6 not in the balls because there's a total of 50. So how many kids don't like either one? 6. All right, now we've got a probability Venn diagram. These are the ones you have to be very, very careful when you start putting numbers in. We've got our A and our B. And the probability of A is 0.5. Do not put 0.5 in the picture. The probability of B is 0.6. Do not put 0.6 in the picture. The probability of A and B is 0.3. This is A and B, and that can go in the picture because that's the football right here. That's 0.3. Now, this means that the whole A circle is 0.5. That's why you can't put 0.5 there. That is wrong. The whole A circle is 0.5. So what does go here?
0.2.
Yep. And the whole B is 0.6. So what goes here?
0.3.
How much total is represented in the circles?
0.8.
Which means 0.2 is out here. So here are the questions. Probability of apples and not bananas. So I like A, but I do not like B. What would that answer be?
0.5.
Nope. I like it. 0.2. Because I like A, but I don't like B. So anything in the B circle is out of it. So the only ones that like A are these 0.2 right here. Because they can't like B. They can't be in the B circle. How about the probability that I don't like either one? This says I don't like A and I don't like B. What's that?
0.3.
Oh my gosh.
22.
Yes. If you're in a circle, you like something, okay? If you're in a circle, you like something. These people don't like either one. These are the only people in the picture that aren't in a circle. This says you don't like A, so you're not in the A. You don't like B, so you're not in the B. You're not in a circle. These are not in a circle, so that would be these 0.2 right here. Okay? Guys, these 0.3 like only bananas. These 0.3 like both, and these 0.2 like only apples. All right, let's go ahead and get this done, even though the bell rang. I don't need the cleaning time, so here we go. Read the question. What goes on the first level?
Precal.
Yep. He takes pre-cal or he doesn't take pre-cal. And then on the second level will be he buys lunch or he doesn't buy lunch. All right, so are we all good with that setup? All right, now let's start putting the probabilities in. If I get this done, you don't have to send it in to me. I lost somebody, so I got to figure out who that is later. All right, so here we go. Let's see. The probability that a student takes pre-cal is 89%. So I'm going to put an 89 and an 11 on that first one. And then if he takes pre-calculus, he buys lunch 34. And if he doesn't take pre-calculus, he buys lunch 76. And we want to know what's the probability that he buys lunch. So that'll be this branch here and this branch here. Would you agree with that? So we'll multiply 0.34 times 0.89, and I get 0.3026. That's this one right here. I multiply these. I'm taking pre-cal and buying lunch. And then I'll multiply these, and that's 0.0836. And what do I do with those two numbers?
Add them.
Add them. And I come up with 0.3862 as the answer. Would everybody agree with that? All right, well, those of you that are still here, I'm just going to mark you down for having submitted that homework, so you don't worry about sending it to me. Okay? And I will see you when I see you again. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Sorry for being late.
I know you were really late.
I know. Are you gonna watch the supermoon today?
The what?
There's gonna be a pink supermoon.
Oh, I don't know. I'll probably